Hello, boys and girls. Hey there, this is Mrs. G. I'm just going to walk you through how to get into Quaver so you can get yourselves signed up and we can do some lessons online. First of all, go to quavermusic.com like I told you in your seesaw message. Go where it says log in. Once you get where it says log in, go where it says need a Quaver account because you don't have one yet. Once we get there, it'll show up and you're going to want to put in that code that I gave you way down here. Also create a Quaver name. It'll help if you put your name in there somehow, last name or first name so I know who's in, but you don't have to. So I'm going to make my dog my Quaver name, so Max is the best. And then you come up with a password and make sure you write your password down. If you don't write your password down, you might lose it, so make sure it's written down somewhere. So I'm just going to create a password here, put that in, and you want to confirm that password. Now the next part, the email address. Talk to mom and dad, use theirs. You don't have to put in an email address, but if you forget your password, this is one way to go there. So I'm going to put in my husband's. And click agree. You can read the terms if you want to, then press enter. We're going to save that password in there. Oh, Quaver name's already taken. So we got to try again. So if that Quaver name is already taken, we'll put in something else. There we go. How's that one? So then we'll throw the password. Whoops, should be this. Okay, so put in the password. And then confirm your password. Now press enter. Save the password. Aha, now I'm signed up and I can enter the site. Yes. Now, when you get to the site, you can do it with Adobe Flash or without. It's up to you. With Flash, gets you into certain things. Without Flash, they're slowly transitioning to other things. So we're going to go with Flash today. You're going to see it load right on up. There we go. So how are you doing? Are you keeping busy reading books? I'm reading lots of books. Okay, now you see that it's loading over here. There it goes. Now, you have access when you get here into all different things, but if you go to the door, that's where we're going to enter. Kids, enter here. So we're going to go inside. And this is where you just get to play, experiment with Quaver. We have this as part of our subscription to Quaver. All Rockford has this. Aren't you going to let me in? There we go. So once you get here, there's all different things that you can do. You can experiment with composing something, a song brush, make your own thing. Studio over here, there's lots of doors and things to go into. So go ahead and explore with them as you go through. Student, there should be a way to change your avatar. Well, I just clicked student, so let's see where it takes us here. Now, this is where you're going to find assignments. Right now, I don't have any assignments in, but I'll work on that this weekend. There are student interactives. Let's see where that takes us. You've seen some of these things up on the board that we have used them before. Now you get to use them at home, all on your own. So we look over here. There's lots of different areas to explore. You notice 4th and 5th graders, you've got record. Go to the recorder. Everybody else, we've got movement, playing music. Go to Quaver books. Some of these I'll include in some of our assignments. We'll just kind of see where we go. There's lots of stuff to do. When you're out of that, you can press exit. There are creatives and Quaver books. Now, your avatar, you can change it to be you. So it's still going round and round. So we're going to work on that. Right now it doesn't want to go there, but this is how you get this far. You can join a class, enter your Quaver code. There it is. We're going to click OK. And now you're in there. We should be getting to your classes. And I guess we're already in. So that was a little bit overdone. All right, my friends, have fun getting into Quaver, experiment with some stuff, and I'll add an assignment after a while. All right, well, you, ladies and gentlemen, have a great day. Make sure you read a book, Go outside and play. Dress warm. It's a little chilly today.